Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to review FreeCAD 1.0. FreeCAD 1.0 is a free, open-source 3D CAD software designed for creating precise models and technical designs. It works on Windows, Mac OS, and Linux, and supports both 2D drafting and 3D modeling. The software is modular, meaning you can add workbenches and tools based on what you need, such as for architecture, mechanical design, or product modeling. The 1.0 version brings better stability, improved performance, and updated tools compared to older releases. It supports formats like STEP, IGES, and STL, making it useful for 3D printing and compatibility with other CAD programs. While it's powerful, the interface and workflow can feel complex for beginners, but there's a large community and plenty of tutorials to help. Overall, FreeCAD 1.0 is a strong choice for hobbyists, engineers, and designers who want a free yet professional grade CAD tool with both 2D and 3D capabilities. Thank you everyone for watching this video. Hope you guys value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe. Goodbye.